my dear students. Okay, in the previous class we are also discussed our new chapter. Chapter name is fractions and decimals. Okay, in the class they are also discussed the exercise 2.1. They solve the questions. Then so many are your homework questions. Okay, today we are going to discuss the remaining questions. Okay, then question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay. Descending order means smallest to biggest to smallest. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Converting the fractions. First of all, we're converting these fractions to like fractions. That means the denominators are same. Converting the denominators are same. Okay. In this converting the given fractions into like fractions, first we find the LCM. First we find the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. First we can find the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. Okay, the LCM of 9, 3, 21. The LCM 3 times, 1 times, 7 times. Okay. Then the LCM is equal to 3 into 1 into 7. We get 9 into 7, 63. Okay. Then we converting each of the fractions. The denominators are converting 63. Denominators are like 60, converting 63. So 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 9 into numerator and denominator, multiplying which number? 7. Multiplying 7, the numerator and denominator, multiplying by 7 in numerator and denominator. So we get 14 by 63. 14 by 63. Okay. Then second fraction number is equal to 2 by 3. Denominator is converting 63. So the number 21. So the number 21 will multiplying both of them. Okay, we get 42 by 63. And the last fraction number 21, 8 by 21, converting the denominator to 63. So we are multiplying. So we multiplying by both numerator and denominator by multiplying by 3. Multiplying by 3. So the 8 into 3, 24. 24 by 63. Okay. So these are the like fractions. These are the like fractions because the denominators are same. So then finding the descending order. Which one is greater? Then finding which one is greater. Okay. First we check the denominators are same. Then we check the greatest value numerator in as a descending order. Converting the numerators numbers are in descending order. So 42 is the numerator. 42 is the biggest number. Then 24. Then 14. So 43, 42 greater than 23, 24 greater than 14. Okay. We get 42 divided by 63 greater than 24 divided by 63 greater than 14 divided by 63. Okay. 43 divided by 63 is the number. Original fraction is 2 by 3 greater than 24 by 63 is 8 by 21 greater than This one is 2 by 9. Okay. Okay. These are the descending order. Okay. Once more. First we converting the like fraction. These fractions are converting the like fraction. First of all, we are finding the LCM of the denominators numbers. LCM, we get the answer is 63. Then we find the like fractions 2 by 9, the denominator converting 63. So the numerator and denominator multiplying by 7. So we get 14 by 63. 2 by 3, we get the denominator is 63. So multiplying 21, both of them, numerator and denominator, we get 42 by 63. The last one is 8 by 21. We get the 8 by 21, converting the denominator 61 convert into 63. Sorry, 21 convert into 63. So multiplying both of them, numerator and denominator by 3. So the answer is 24 by 63. Then we can arrange the descending order. These are the like fractions because the denominators are same. So then we check the numerators. We we connecting the numerators in descending order. So 42 is greater than 24 is greater than 40. Then we get the answer is 2 by 3 greater than 8 by 21 greater than 2 by 9. Okay. Then another question. Then the another question is converting the descending order. The question is 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10. Okay. First, converting the given fractions into like fractions. Given fractions into like fraction. First of all, we can find the LCM of 5, 7, 10. Okay. Then 5, 1, 7, 2. The LCM is equal to 5 into 1 into 7 into 2. We get the answer is 10, 70. We get the answer is 70. Then we converting the 70. Then we converting each of the denominators are 70. Okay. First 1 by 5. 1 by 5. The denominator is converting 70. We get 70. So we multiplying 35 on both. Sorry 35 70. We get the answer is 70. So multiplying 14 on numerator and denominator, we get 14 by 70. Second fraction is 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Converting the denominators, this one is denominator is 7. Also converting the denominator is 70. So we multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10. Multiplying by 10, we get 30 by 70. The last one is 7 by 10. We get 7 by 10. 10 is the denominator. This denominator is converting 70. So the numerator and denominator multiplying by 7 is equal to 49 by 70. Okay, these are the like fractions. Then we comparing the numerators. Okay, then we comparing the numerators. So the 49 is greater than 30 is greater than 40. So the answer is 49 by 70 greater 30 by 70 greater 14 by 70. The answer is 7 by 10 greater 3 by 7 greater 1 by 5. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Then in the third question, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. This is a square. See, this is a magic square. Okay. Do you understand the questions? Do you understand the question? In a magic square, the sum of the numbers, a magic square, the sum of the numbers are column base ആയാലും row base ആയാലും diagonal ആയാലും answers are same. Okay. The square is this one. Okay, first one is 4 by 11. Second one is 9 by 11. 2 by 11. 3 by 11. Okay. A rectangular sheet. First question is, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers each row and each columns along the diagonals the same answer. Okay. First we check the first row. 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11 is equal to, the answer is, first we check the denominators are like. First of all, we check the fractions are like fractions. Yes, the fractions are like fractions. So the denominators are same. So the denominator is 11. Then adding the numerator. Okay, we get the answer is 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. Another row is 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. We get the answer is 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 15 by 11. And the last row is 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. We get the answer is 8 plus 1 plus 6 divided by 11 is equal to 9 plus 15 by 11. Okay. Each row and each column. The columns കൂടെ നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. We get the answer is 11. Denominator is 11. 4 plus 3 plus 8. We get the answer is 15 by 11. Okay. Another row column is 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. We get the answer is 11. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. We get the answer is 15. 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. We get the answer is 5 plus 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 by 11. Each row and each columns are the same answer. The and diagonals are sum of the diagonals. Okay. So 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11 is equal to 9 plus 6, 15. We get the answer is 15. Then another one is 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. We get the answer is 15 by 11. So the rows and the sum of the rows and columns and diagonals are the same answer. Okay. Then next question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find the perimeter. Okay. Okay, this question is your homework question. You can find the this question. Okay, first we explain that questions. Okay, first of all we explain the questions. Rectangular sheet paper 12 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, the length is 1 by 12. 2 length is equal to 12 1 by 2. Convert, this is a mixed fraction, converting the improper fraction. Okay, then another b is equal to, but width is 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 3. This is an mixed fraction converting the improper fraction. Then we applying the equation, find your answer. Okay, another question, find the perimeter of triangle ABE. The rectangle ABCD in the figure whose perimeter is a garden. Okay, in this picture contain rectangle and triangle. Okay, find the perimeter of triangle, and also find the perimeter of, perimeter of these rectangle. Okay, this rectangle whose perimeter is greater. Sorry, garden la, whose perimeter is greater. Apo first we check, this one is your homework question. Okay, first we perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to adding the three sides. Okay, measurement of adding these measurement of the three sides. Okay, then perimeter of triangle. Another one is perimeter of, here you can find. Okay, okay, so the fourth and fifth questions are your homework questions. Okay, the sixth question, Salid want to put a picture in the frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, well, this question is, the Sally want to put a picture in a frame. Charlie want to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by centimeter wide. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. Okay, so first the picture should be trimmed by, the picture should be trimmed ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ ദ ഫ്രെയിമിൻ്റെ വിഡ്ത്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Okay, this is the picture should be trimmed by. Picture should be trimmed is equal to 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. First we these are the mixed fractions. First of all, we converting the improper fraction. We get the answer is 7 into 3 plus 5 by 7 into 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 into 10 plus 3 by 10. We get the answer is 35 plus 8, 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Then the converting the like fraction, so the multiplying by 2. Okay, numerator and denominator by 2. So 38 into 2 is equal to 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. Okay, these are the like fractions. So subtracting these are 76 minus 73, we get 3 by 10. Answer is 3 by 10. Answer is 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, next question is, Ridu ate 3 by part of apple. Ridu ate 3 by 5 part of apple. Ridu ate 3 by 5 part of apple. And he remaining apple was eaten by her brother Sonu. Okay, Ridu ate Ridu ate 3 by 5. Sonu Sonu. Sonu. Remaining. Balance ആണ് Sonu. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഫുൾ ആപ്പിൾ ആണ്. അതിൽ 3/5 ഋതു കഴിച്ചു. റിമൈനിങ് സോനു കഴിച്ച എത്രയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ആപ്പിൾ A2 by സോനു. പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ആപ്പിൾ A2 by സോനു. ഒരു ഫുൾ ആപ്പിൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഫുൾ ആപ്പിളിൽ നിന്നും ഋതു ഏറ്റ് ചെയ്തത് 3/5. സോ cross multiplying 5 minus 3/5 is equal to, we get the answer is 2/5. So part of 2/5 is 8 Sonu. Okay. How much part of the apple did Sonu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Who had the larger? ആരാണ് കൂടുതൽ കഴിച്ചത്? അപ്പോൾ 3/5 or 2/5. Which one is the greater? Which one is the greater? This one is the greater. 3/5 is greater. Ridu ate more apple. Ridu had larger share by how much? എത്രയാണ്? അപ്പം എത്രയാണ് കൂടുതൽ കഴിച്ചതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? Subtracting both of them. 3/5 minus 2/5. We get the answer is 1/part. 1/part is more. So Ridu had to larger share by 1/5. Ridu had the larger share by 1/5. Okay. The last question. Michelle finished the coloring picture in 7/12 hours. Vaishvav finished the coloring of same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Okay, first we comparing these fractions. First we comparing these fraction numbers. First finish the work is 7/12. 7/12. First Michal. Kata. Michal. Finish the work 7/12 and Michal finish the work 7/12 and Vaishvav finish the work 3/4. Okay, which who is the large? പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്ത് കഴിച്ചത് ആര്? അപ്പോൾ 7/10 or comparing these two fractions 7/12 and 3/4. First we converting the like fraction. So the denominators are same. Converting the denominators are same. 4/4. Which first denominator is 12 and another one is 4. Converting these of the same. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So the multiplying numerator and denominator by 12. 7/12 or 9/12. Which one is greater? 9/12 is greater. 9/12 is greater. So Valif worked longer by Valif ആണ് longer ചെയ്തത്. ഗ്രേറ്റർ നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 7/12 3/4. Which one is greater? 3/4. So Vaishvav is the longer, worked longer by fraction. Longer by fraction. How much? How much more? 9/12 minus 7/12 is equal to 2/12. How much more? 2/12. This one is 1/6. Right? Dividing 2 on both sides, numerator and denominator. So we get the answer is 1/6. So Vaishvav worked longer by fraction is 1/6 hours. 1/6 hours. 1/6 hours. Okay. Okay. Let us finish this class. Okay. I hope all of you got understood. In case of any doubt, let us